Hey guys, so I'm excited because I finally got my box of goodies from KISS. A couple months ago, KISS had where you could enter to be a part of the ambassador program, and they chose your girl. They chose me. So I just want to say thank you to KISS for sending me all these goodies. So I'm going to do a couple of things with a couple of things that I got. So let's just see, what's tea. All right. To start off, I did get an eyeliner. This is the KISS waterproof intense gel eyeliner, and it's in the shade black. That's how it looks. So, ooh, it's really dark, and this is really creamy. I like that. So, I don't know how to do a wing liner, but bear with me. I'm going to just draw something on my eye and then diffuse it. Give me a second. So I'm gonna try to go as close to my lash line as possible. You guys, this liner goes on so smooth. Now I'm gonna just take a clean brush and try to see if I could smoke it out a little. Ooh. So I just made a little smoky, just to give it some, something different or whatever. I'm gonna do the other eye, and we're gonna come back with the next product. Next, they sent me two mascaras. This is the Bold and Long mascara by INB, and this one is the Volume and Define mascara by INB. I'm gonna use both of them today. I think I'm gonna use this one. No, I'm gonna use this one on my top lashes and this one on my bottom lashes. Yeah. I'm going to let the top mascara dry, and I'm going to go in with the Bold and Long mascara on my bottom lash line. I'm going to let my top mascara dry, then I'm going to go in with the Bold and Long mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm going to mix them. It looks good like this, but I'm going to mix them to see what it's really going to give. I'm very shocked. I usually have no bottom lashes. Like, KISS, y'all did good on this mascara. I like this. Right, so my top lashes should be done. I'm gonna put on my lashes. I'm gonna come back and do my lips. So, 1 second. Yeah, I didn't know these lashes were gonna lash like this. Like, these are nice. They sent me a whole bunch of options for lip liners, and I appreciate that, because with being dark skinned, it's really hard to find a good lip liner that's gonna go good with lighter colors. But anyway, this is Sienna Brown, this is Cappuccino, this is dark brown, this is black brown, and this is black. I'm just gonna leave Sienna Brown, Cappuccino, and black by itself. I wanna see what this black brown and this dark brown is sitting on. I feel like black brown is gonna be the color that I'm gonna gravitate towards more than the dark brown. Let's just see what it's gonna do. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna say for like my skin tone, maybe it's giving like a true brown. Now this dark brown is someone that's probably lighter or has lighter lips. It will look dark on them, but since my top lip is dark, it's not that dark. But I like it. Now I'm gonna take the black brown and I'm gonna outline this dark brown. Now they did send me two tinted, wait a minute. They're saying tinted lip oils, but they're also saying natural oil lip glosses. I don't know, but I'm gonna apply both of them. The shade number 11 and shade number 12 that they sent me. Okay, it looks like 11 is darker than 12, so I'm gonna put 11 on first, and I'm gonna put on number 12. Number 11 smells like cocoa butter. And I like that. Okay, so guys, I just finished applying a little bit of blush, a little bit of highlighter, put my nose on or whatever. And Kiss, y'all really surprised me. Like, I wasn't expecting none of this. Like, I didn't even know the package was coming. And when I went to my door this afternoon, and it was just there, I cried, for real. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna hold on to y'all. I did cry. But I am very excited to be an ambassador for you guys. Like, I love all of these products. Thank you so much for choosing me to be an ambassador with you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. They also sent me some nail things, so let me know if y'all want a video with me, you know, using the nail polish and stuff, because those colors were definitely summer colors, and the colors was bomb. Okay, so yeah, I love you guys so much. Again, thank you so much to Kiss Pro for sending me this makeup. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.